Does life in space change an astronaut's sense of time? In recent discussions, a fascinating question has emerged. Does life in space change an astronaut's sense of time? As more missions are launched and research is conducted, this topic is gaining attention. With astronauts spending extended periods aboard the International Space Station, understanding their perception of time has become increasingly relevant. Living in microgravity significantly alters how astronauts experience time. In orbit, they witness about 16 sunrises and sunsets every 24 hours. This rapid cycle occurs because the International Space Station circles Earth approximately every 90 minutes. Such frequent transitions can confuse the body's internal clock, known as the circadian rhythm, which typically aligns with a 24-hour day on Earth. Without the usual cues from nature, astronauts may struggle to keep track of time. This leads to a distorted perception of how much time has elapsed. The absence of a traditional day-night cycle can make it challenging for them to maintain a sense of routine. Moreover, the physics of time itself plays a role. Astronauts experience time slightly differently due to the effects of gravity and velocity. This phenomenon, known as time dilation, means that astronauts age just a tiny bit slower than people on Earth. However, the difference is so minuscule that it is not noticeable in daily life. Research conducted on the International Space Station investigates how microgravity impacts brain function, balance, and sensory perception. These studies help scientists understand how the space environment influences time perception. For instance, experiments using virtual reality and brain monitoring tools provide insights into how the brain adapts to living in space. To combat the confusion caused by their surroundings, astronauts follow strict schedules and relying on clocks and timers. This structured approach helps them maintain a sense of normalcy despite the unusual conditions. Training on Earth prepares them to manage these challenges effectively. In summary, living in space does indeed affect how astronauts perceive time. The combination of rapid orbital cycles, the unique effects of microgravity, and the principles of physics all contribute to this change. As space missions continue to evolve, understanding these effects becomes increasingly important for future explorations.